Hi guys, my name is Manjunath and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can get started with Nextjs. Welcome to Nextjs crash course. This is the Nextjs website which you are seeing on the screen. You can go to nextjs.org in order to visit it. And the important link which we want is here it is documentation. If just in case if this page is changed, you can go to navigation and you can click on talks, and it will show you how you can get started with using Next.js. Getting started with Next.js is very easy. You just need to get this particular command, and once you run this particular command, pretty much you are like able to start Next.js project. So without delay, let's just copy this particular thing and let's just go to one folder, and this is the project folder which I use for doing YouTube videos. So I have to open one terminal in this particular page. You can do this in any page, but I mean, you can do it in any folder. I like to do it in this folder, so I'll just open my terminal in this particular page. Just make sure Node.js is installed. Other than that, there is no much dependency for Next.js. Once you get this particular command, now you can run this particular command here. Just paste it, or you can also type npx create next tab at latest and click enter. It's going to ask what is your project named. I'll just name it as Next.js crash course, and we just have to wait for it to do all kind of magic it does in the behind the scene for creating us the project folder. Okay, that took a while to create. In mine it took about nearly 30 to 40 seconds. In yours it might take more than that or less than that, depending upon how powerful is your PC and your internet. So it created folder in this particular folder, and we just have to open it in Visual Studio Code. And opening it in Visual Studio Code is easy. There are so many methods, but the one which I like is right click and click on more, or if you're on Windows 10 it will directly come here. And if you have set it up Visual Studio Code properly with default setting, you will be able to see this particular thing, and you just have to click it and it will open the project folder for you. And okay, so this is the actually wrong way of opening the folder. Whenever you are opening it, you just have to click it, then you have to click on show more properties and open with code. Now it will open the project folder in proper method which we require it for running the Next.js project properly. So this is the project folder structure you are getting, and let's just run this particular project. Running it is also very easy. You just have to type npm run dev, and it will run, and it might open it automatically, or if it doesn't open, you just have to click on it and click open. Yeah, this is the default Next.js folder. And as always, let's just write hello world project. At the moment, we don't know anything about this folder, but I'll teach you each and everything in this particular folder, which is required. And just go to index.js and you can just remove pretty much everything inside this particular div. So just keep only this much, that is this much, and just type h1 hello world and save it. It automatically reloads, you don't have to do anything, and it will print hello world as it's shown on the screen. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in next video.